Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a battery change on a Jaguar flip key. This particular model was used for cars from 1999 up until 2009. So if you have this key, it might work for other models as well. If you have this particular key, this is the procedure that you need to do in order to change the battery. So you have a small gap in here which allows you to push the key open. Once you remove that, you have another gap on here. I'll try and show you just on top here. Okay, with the help of a flathead screwdriver, you can push that one open. Once the key is open, you have the board on one side and you have the battery on the other. Okay. With the help of the flathead screwdriver, release the battery. Comes off like this. It's a CR2032 in our case. When placing the battery back into position, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the back. It slides into position, and then we align the case together. Okay. When aligning the case, make sure you put the left side in first. Okay, it's well aligned there. It clicks, and then we have the top bit to place with the emergency plate. Okay, once that is all in, your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.